Tomatoes are one of the best things to grow to eat for beginners. They're really easy to look after. They grow really well in small spaces, and the payoff is absolutely massive. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can grow tomatoes no matter how much space you have. Now, just remember, tomatoes, they are tender plants, so don't plant them out too early. Wait till the risks of frost have gone. You'll notice there's daffodils here. I'm doing this a little bit earlier to show you and get the video out in time, and the editing takes ages because I need a lot of airbrushing to look good. So just keep that in mind. If you are planting them outside, you want to be waiting until May in the UK. Now, first off, you're going to want to decide what type of tomatoes you are going to grow. Now, you can grow bush tomatoes, which are perfect for small spaces. You can grow them in pots and hanging baskets, and they're more compact, so you're not having to train them up anything. You can literally just plant them and let them do their thing and reap the benefits and the tomatoes that go with them. And then you have cordon tomatoes, or indeterminate as some people call them. You have to keep on top of these and train them up something, tie them in, so they are a little bit more work. Now, despite having to train them, you can grow them in small spaces, and I'm going to show you a few ways now. Now, you don't need much to start growing tomatoes. You could literally just get a grow bag like so, plant your tomatoes into the grow bag, and then use bamboo to train them up. Now, this will dry out fast, so you'll have to keep on top of watering, or you could use these, and these go onto the grow bag, give you a little bit of extra space for the roots, but also you can water into here and it creates a little bit of a reservoir, so you don't have to keep on top of watering as much. Let me show you. And then you get this little gadget that you can use to keep the canes behaving. So they're not all over the shop. Twist that round. Look how easy that is. In we go. So you are going to want to water your tomatoes in. If you water into these little sections here, then the water will make its way into the grow bag, and it'll just encourage those roots to grow down, and those tomatoes will be climbing up in no time. And as they climb up, you just want to tie them in. Now, if you want something a little prettier like me, sorry, dad jokes, I've got you covered. So I've got this lovely obelisk and this lovely pot to go with it, and I'm thinking we can fill this up with compost, plant a tomato plant in here and have it on our patio, and I think it will look a lot prettier than a grow bag. Now, the reason I love growing tomatoes so much is because for a long time I didn't think I liked tomatoes. I didn't like the taste of them. They didn't really taste of anything. And then I went to Italy and my food came out and there was tomatoes on it, so I just ate them, and the taste, it just blew my mind. It really did. And from that moment on, I was like, wow, like, why do tomatoes in the UK not taste this good? And so then I learned that, well, if you grow your own, they taste so much better. They've got so much flavour, and there's so many varieties that you can grow as well. And they come in different colours, different shapes, different sizes, and yeah, they're just really fun to grow, and you get so many tomatoes off of just one plant. It's absolutely crazy. I feel like I'm looking through a window. So the method that we would use to train the tomato plants up the canes in the grow bags, we just tie them in. Now, the method we're going to use on this is the string method, which you can probably see why we use string. And what we do is we tie it at the top, and then basically we'll wind the tomato to grow round the string as it goes up. And then what it does is it means that you don't have to tie them in as you go along. You can just wind the string around it. So it's really effective and really easy to do. So all you need to do is just tie your string at the top of something. Like, this could be like a wooden structure. It could even be like a hook inside your greenhouse if you're growing them indoors. And you just want to tie it so that it doesn't come undone. And then what you do is the string comes down. And then what you could do, you could just plant your tomato in and then tie it around here. But what I like to do is have the string actually under the tomato plant. So what I do is I just tie a small circle like so, Pressure's on now because you're watching me. I can't tie my shoelaces, I promise. And then once you've done that, what you do is you plant it on top of that string. I've just broken some leaves off. If you break any leaves off, don't worry about it, they'll grow so many more. And then what you do is you just wind that string around that stem of the tomato plant, and then like so, you've got it. It's as easy as that. And then as it grows upwards, all you do is you just wind that string around the stem, and it'll grow bigger and bigger and bigger, and you'll have loads of tomatoes in no time. Now your plants will be more developed than mine. What you can do is you can strip away some of those lower leaves and plant them a little bit deeper, and then what they'll do is roots will grow out of the stem, and it will have a bigger root system, and therefore you'll have a healthier plant. So it's a really good method to get a really strong tomato plant ready for lots of tomatoes. Now I can hear you yelling at the TV, Adam, what if I don't want to have to train the tomatoes and do all that work, and I want something where I don't have to train it up, string or canes, I want something simple. Don't worry, there is an option for you. I'll show you. As I mentioned, the other type of tomatoes are bush tomatoes, and they don't need training and they're more compact. Now this is just an old pot that I found in my garden, and I can plant a tomato plant in here. There we go. And instead of growing upwards, it will bush out and give me lots of lovely tomatoes in a really small place. Look at that. I mean, I think everyone's got space for a small pot of tomatoes, haven't they? But if you haven't, maybe you've got a fence or a balcony that isn't too exposed. Now you can have, wait, that's the string. You can have a tumbling tom. You can plant this in something like this, or a wall planter, or even a hanging basket. I've got strawberries in this one though, so it's going to be this fence pot for me, and plant it up exactly the same. So when you've planted your tomato plants, make sure you put them in a sunny spot, and make sure when watering, you water them at the base, not onto the leaves. When they start getting flowers, you want to feed them with a good tomato feed. And I hope this video has proven to you that you can grow your own tomatoes no matter what your space, and I hope you're going to be eating tomatoes all summer long.